I graduated from IIT Delhi with a 5.84 CGPA. I scored 99.99 percentile in CAT 2024 and still got rejected from many of my MBA interviews. Today I am sitting at IIM Calcutta. I am performing in top 15% of the batch. तो कुछ तो चेंज हुआ है ना. So I can honestly say IIM was the best decision of my life. तो आज उस बारे में बात करते हैं. Hi, I am Aryan. I am a Bengali, but I've been raised in Uttarakhand. And growing up, maths was something जो बहुत naturally आता था. Numbers, arithmetic, algebra सब बहुत पसंद है ना. Not the abacus kid, but हाँ ये logical reasoning वाली चीज़ें बहुत पसंद थी मेरे को. So brown parents pattern notice किया and what they thought was कि engineering करवाते हैं है ना. तो class 8th में शुरू हो गया. Took me to some coaching center. Prepared for JEE. PCM, proper structured preparation and all, है ना. 10th तक चला ये. After 10th, what was the most obvious next step? कोटा चलते हैं. I got enrolled in a coaching center in Kota. Now everything was going according to the plan, है ना. कोचिंग में enroll हो गए, बढ़िया चल रहा है. I'm performing well, learning well, सब बढ़िया चल रहा है. Now keep this in mind, अभी 2019 है, ठीक है. Class 11th हुआ, went back to home for some breaks. COVID struck. COVID आया. लॉकडाउन लगा. 1 week, 1 month, 2 month and went on for all long, है ना. JEE मेंस postponed, JEE advanced postponed. पूरे प्रेप फेज में what I noticed was ऑनलाइन फेज आते साथ I lost the consistency. Distractions बहुत सारे आ गए थे and I could definitely not perform at that level जिस पे मैं perform करना चाहता था, ठीक है. Somehow things still fall in place with time. थोड़ा बहुत decently cover up कर लिया and I got into IIT Delhi, ठीक है. Got into one of the decent branches, material science engineering, and अब बहुत ऐसा ड्रीमी सा लग रहा है राइट कि IIT में आ गए हैं, ब्रांच भी डिसेंट मिल गई है एंड अभी तो गलतियों से सीख चुके होंगे, डिस्ट्रैक्शंस नहीं है, अब ऑफलाइन शुरू हो गया है. बट इतना इजीली चलता नहीं है ना दोस्त. अब देखते हैं आगे क्या हुआ. Once I got there, I was surrounded by like-minded IITians and people in top 100 ranks. यार, they were in computer science, mathematics and computing, electrical department and all. ठीक है, like-minded but brilliant IITians, and that is when reality hits. You start feeling कि यार, is this where I want to be? See, this is not about the difficulty, right? As in, it is more about your alignment with the skill set. Material science is not a bad branch, but you need to have that caliber in mind, right? You need to have that knack for it. You want to pursue that. Materials में जाओ, I was like कि यार, masters करेंगे, research करेंगे. Is this what I am meant for? And that makes a big difference over the 4 years. Now, simultaneously, मैंने कुछ और करना शुरू किया. I followed my passion. I started teaching mathematics for JEE. Initially, it started small. ठीक है, कुछ दोस्तों को पढ़ा दिया, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ा दिया, freelance tutoring कर ली, right? Eventually, I realized कि this is not only something जिसमें I do good, but this is actually something which I enjoy doing. तो यही करते हैं, यही परस्यू करते हैं. I started teaching properly, not full time, but हाँ पूरे डेडिकेशन के साथ. By my second or third year, I was teaching very seriously, offline भी, online भी. Few of my friends were building a platform as well, so I started contributing there as well. Global Olympiads के लिए we started offering courses. People outside India, उनके लिए भी we were catering now. For the first time in all those years, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि I am finally doing something meaningful. Yeah, this actually makes sense. This is something I enjoy doing. I could find a sense of direction. है ना, अच्छा लग रहा है ये करने में, तो बढ़िया था. But life is not that easy, right? You need to gain दूसरे लोगों का perspective as well, and most importantly, parents का perspective. 4th year end होने वाला था, so मेरे parents को लगा कि see, teaching as a profession is not that easy. You have to consistently perform, produce results. Let's say अभी मेरे पास n number of students है and I fail to deliver results इस JEE मेंस में या इस CAT में, है ना. अगले साल लोगों का ट्रस्ट लूज हो जाएगा. I would lose the repo that I have built over years. And अगर ये consistently होते गया for the next few years कि मैं results deliver नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, I would lose all my student base, right? And that is where the uncertainty lies, है ना. That is where security, safety, ये सारे terms आ जाते हैं. So my parents wanted me to have a more secure, safe, stable job जहाँ पे चीज़ें थोड़ी सी structured हो, predictable हो. तो now I had a very huge, big decision मेरे सामने. I didn't have to choose between right या फिर wrong. I had to choose between my passion versus the structure. तो मैंने सोचा यार चलो कैट अटेम्प्ट करते हैं, प्रिप करेंगे, एग्ज़ाम देंगे, देखते हैं कैसा जाता है. आई प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर लाइक 2 to 3 months. Being an engineer and specifically being one जो मैथ्स पढ़ा रहा था, quant was definitely not tough for me. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस किया, टिप्स पे आ गई चीज़ें, स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी दोनों बिल्ड हुए, quant was easy way. LRDI भी थोड़ा थोड़ा आने लगा था, है ना. VARC was something that required conscious efforts. I put that. I scored 99.99 percentile in CAT 2024. I got a 100 percentile in quant, a perfect 100. एंड अब लग रहा था कि लाइफ सेट है ना. पीक मोमेंट इन लाइफ की यार, पूरा पब्लिसिटी मिल रहा है, ऑल दैट PR थिंग हैपनिंग, ठीक है, नेम एंड फेम. इज दिस व्हाट आई वांटेड? यही तो चाहिए था, है ना. बट दैट फीलिंग डिडंट लास्ट वेरी लॉन्ग. केम द इंटरव्यूज एंड इट डिडंट मैटर कि बाकी पूरा इंटरव्यू कैसा जा रहा है. देयर वाज वन क्वेश्चन जो बार बार आता था. व्हाई अ 5 pointer इन BTech? Why a 5 pointer from IIT? It takes like tremendous amount of negative efforts to do so. And I realized that my past is not just a part of my story. It is becoming a barrier to what I want to do in future. I had a very good percentile, like the top 15 candidates in CAT, and still I didn't get a call from 2 of the top IIMs. This was a very difficult phase to process, specifically the interviews when the panelists grilled me very tough, and there were harsh comments like, you wasted a seat in IIT, you didn't do well, you are not meant for science. And I do respect their opinion. I do understand that it's their job to grill me in the interview. At that point, I had some options. इसको justify करो, defend करो, या फिर सिर्फ accept कर लो, है ना. I chose to be honest. जब भी ये पूछा गया कि why a 5 pointer in IIT, I said कि sir, from the first year itself I started teaching. I could not really prioritize between my academics and my passion. I was also doing music, and somehow all these things took so much of my time कि यहाँ पे academic setback दिखने लगा एक. And by the time I realized this, it was very late. But I also promise you that once I get into IIM, if given a chance, I would definitely improve on this and learn from my past mistakes, because I have learned it the hard way. Fortunately, someone believed that it was IIM Calcutta. I got into IIM Calcutta. That moment felt less like an achievement, but more like a second chance. I video called my parents. They were laughing, they were happy. I was crying कि someone finally believed me. एंड अब एक ही मोटो था कि यार IIM में जाएंगे तो वो गलती नहीं दोहराएंगे, अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे, बहुत अच्छी सी GPA लेके आएंगे. गॉट इनटू IIM कैलकटा, टर्म 1 टर्म 2 बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ें चल रही है, बहुत बढ़िया सी GPA. बट देयर इज समथिंग बिगर, द प्लेसमेंट्स. नाउ यू हैव 2 things, SIPs and final placement. SIP being the summer internship. I had very less hopes for that क्योंकि SIPs happen, let's say 3 months you are into IIM and they start happening. You don't really have something to show on your CV that you have done post CAT. Most of the shortlists are based on your past profile, what you have done before joining IIM. You don't even get the opportunity to add your term 1 का CGPA, MBA का. So I had very less hopes, and मेरा past again started haunting me. Probably 3 days before day 1 of placements, summer placements, I had 0 shortlists. I was devastated. But as they say that sometimes one shortlist is all you need, I got 2. I converted both of them. And thankfully, I got into a very good company in a dream role, and I'm doing my summer internship there right now. And if I look back at my entire journey now, these are not things that changed overnight, yaar. Same person, same background, same abilities. but probably the way I respond to things, that has changed. IIT में I was distracted, constantly pulled by different directions, not really aware of what the consequences might be. IIM में it is more directional. I have an intention. I'm more focused on what I am doing and I know why I am doing that. This shift made the entire difference. And life does not end here. For a long time I thought that 5 CGPA, 5.84, that was a big failure. That would hold me back. But today I see it differently. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि यार that was a lesson I had to learn the hard way. क्योंकि that changed me as a person. That makes me what I am today. Right? And I know आप में से कई सारे लोग ऐसे होंगे जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं and they are stuck somewhere in the middle because of one mistake, one bad exam, one bad decision, or one decision that didn't go as they planned. Let me tell this very clearly to you. That mistake or that decision does not define and decide your destination. That might make the pathway slower, that might make the journey longer, but the destination is still in your hands. I started this video by saying that I am a 5-pointer from IIT Delhi. That's not my story anymore. It's just a part of it. And I personally think that you don't need a perfect past. You just need a second chance and kill it. Hey, hope you liked the video. I'll be coming with more content around CAT, MBA and B School Life. So make sure you like, share and subscribe.